Welcome to episode 12 of Innovators Pod, recorded at Mass Innovation Nights number 74 on May 13th, 2015. Here we introduce you to a really cool product with Valerie from Electroninks, and she's going to show us and talk about their Circuit Scribe product, which is for kids and anybody who wants to draw circuits on paper with conductive ink. Really, really cool. These people have raised well over $600,000 on Kickstarter, and if you're into electronics at all, you're going to like this. Here we go. Hi, folks. Welcome to Innovators Pod. Now we're sitting down with Valerie from Electroninks. Hi, Valerie. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Alrighty. Tell us all about Electroninks, because I think it's awfully cool. It's one of the coolest things I've seen.
So Electroninks is a brand new company. And we created a really cool product called Circuit Scribe. And so it's this pen right here. What the pen does is it has a conductive silver ink inside of it. So when you draw on a piece of paper, instead of just leaving behind any ordinary line, it leaves behind a conductive trace. So you can create circuits on paper without having to use wires, breadboards, teeny tiny little through-hole components. You can create a whole thing. If you can write your name, you can create a circuit with Circuit Scribe.
And your packaging is kits for kids, I noticed.
Yeah, so we have three main kit sizes. We have a basic kit, a maker kit, and a developer kit, which have all varying levels of components in it, but they're all very kid-friendly. We've had people as young as 4 and 5 be able to draw a complete circuit, and kids as young as 8 understand like how electricity flows through their circuit.
Wow, this is cool. I would have liked to have had that when I was a kid.
Yeah, me too. When I first joined the company, I was like, where was this in high school?
And I think you guys mentioned you're going to be at Maker Faire next week.
Yeah, so we're actually going to be at the Bay Area Maker Faire in San Mateo, California next week. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we'll be there with at the Autodesk booth.
Yeah, so you're partnering with Autodesk?
Yeah, so we're partnered with Autodesk. They created an online editor, so you can create your circuits online in their editor. There's a bunch of different, all of our components are on there. You can create your circuits. It'll tell you if it's going to work or not, show you exactly what your circuit does, let you know if you shorted something, if you left something open, and then you can print it out and do it in real life with our pen and our modules. So you can make it online beforehand and then in real life and see the two different things, which is great for students who are more focused in technology now.
Wow, awesome. I'll post with the podcast and on the video links to your sites and whatever, but why don't you tell me your website?
So you can visit us at electroninks.com. Inks is an I-N-K-S.
Yep.
Or you can email us at team@electroninks.com with any questions, comments, thoughts.
Okay. And I assume you're on Twitter? And things
we are. Our Twitter handle is @Electroninks.
Awesome.
Instagram @Electroninks.
Wow. I think it's really cool, and you guys are going to do really well.
Thank you so much.
So have a lot of fun next week, and thanks
we
for sitting
will.
down.
I hope to see some of your viewers there.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening to Innovators Pod, and we hope that if you found this a valuable and interesting podcast, you'll rate us wherever you found it, either on YouTube as a video or at iTunes or Stitcher or wherever else you might have downloaded the audio podcast. Thank you.